What's up, DEFCON Run? It's KPH. I'm going to answer really quickly. What happens on day one? How does DEFCON Run work? Okay, so here's how it's going to work on day one, and here's what is expected of you. As you can see, I'm logged into the site. It's a little bit different than last year. Hopefully, you're already logged in. If you've been to the site, you know it says right here where the rally point is and how to get there. So you've figured it out. You got to the rally point. What you're going to do, you're going to check in. If you're so inclined, it's going to put a public pin on the map saying that you were there. You're checked in now. Everybody who checks in is contributing to a cluster of check-ins. The larger that cluster of check-ins gets, the more points everybody's going to get in that cluster. So check-ins are a thing. After you've checked in, because it's day one, maybe you've bought a bib and you want to get your bib. What you're going to do is you're going to find Agent X or myself or one of our other run helpers who has the bibs, and you're going to say, I want to pick up my bib. And to do that, you're going to go scan. And once you allow your camera, you'll be able to there I am. You'll be able to scan your bib that you're about to be handed. So it might look something like this. Like you're gonna get you're gonna get a bib. Just get one out here. Just get a bib out. What? As if I was gonna show you guys bibs. Okay, so yeah, assume you get a bib and it has a QR code on it. You're gonna scan your QR code on your bib, and it's gonna say, "Ta-da! Welcome." So do that on day one. Check in, scan, and get your bib. But what if you didn't get a bib? What if I didn't pre-order bib? No problem. Get there early enough to the spot. We'll probably maybe have a bib for you with a number on it. You can still use the scanning feature and scan other people's bibs. That's another way to get points. It's scanning other people's bibs. So you can check in and scan other people's bibs. Yeah, that's what to do on day one, basically. Maybe one last point. Where should I run? Okay, so have you looked at the routes? Click on the routes. This will give you a couple of options. If you click on the layers, you can see there's several different runs that are already here. Those are runs that you can do. There's also a way to turn runners on and off the map. There's also a way to turn check-ins on and off the map. Layers also has last year's DEFCON Run accomplishments, which was 90 runs and about 658 kilometers. So we're going to do better than that. I'll do a separate video on the maps in a minute, but that's the gist of where can I run? Where should I go? Click on the spot. It will take you to the spot. I have a lot of layers on right now. You can see the heat map from last year and a couple of different places that one could go. Yeah, I'll do another video on maps in a minute, but back to here. That's what you're going to do on day one. You're going to check in. You're going to scan your bib. You're going to scan other people's bibs. You're going to find a route, and you're going to have a great day. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.